Good morning and very warm welcome to all our respected parents. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to Swaraj 2026, our special celebration of India's freedom, unity, culture and glorious heritage. Today is not a merely school program. It is an opportunity for our children to understand the true meaning of Swaraj. Swaraj means freedom, but freedom also comes with responsibility. The responsibility to respect others, to make the right choices, to care for our country, and to become kind and responsible citizens. At Angels Paradise Academy, we believe that education is not limited to books and classrooms. It is also about nurturing values, building confidence, encouraging creativity, and helping every child feel proud of their identity. Through today's performances, our little ones will share stories of courage, patriotism, unity, and love for India. Our children may be young, but the dreams they carry are very big. When we teach them kindness, discipline, equality, and respect, today we are shaping the India of tomorrow. Dear parents, your presence makes this occasion even more meaningful. Thank you for your constant trust, cooperation, and encouragement. Every costume prepared, every line practiced, and every effort made at home has contributed to today's celebration. I would like to also express my heartfelt appreciation to our teachers and support staff. Their dedication, creativity, patience, and countless hours of preparation have made Swaraj 2026 possible. A beautiful performances last only a few minutes on stage, but behind it are many days of practice, planning, teamwork, and love. As we begin this celebration, let us remember that India's greatest strength lies in its diversity and unity. We may speak different languages and follow different traditions, but we are different, but we are united by one beautiful identity. We are Indians. May we continue to raise children who are confident in their abilities, compassionate in their hearts, proud of their roots, and committed to building a better future. Once again, on the behalf of entire Angels Paradise Academy family, I warmly welcome you all to Swaraj 2026. Let us celebrate the spirit of freedom, honor the sacrifices of our national heroes, and create beautiful memories together. Thank you and enjoy the program. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Saini ma'am, for the inspiring words. Swaraj is not just a story of our past. It is a feeling that lives in the heart of every Indian. And what better way to express this feeling than through the innocent voices, joyful smiles, and vibrant energy of our little ones. Music has the power to bring people together, and today our young performers are all set to fill the air with the spirit of patriotism. So let us get ready to witness a beautiful musical presentation by our little stars, celebrating the pride, unity and spirit of India. Today our Prep 2 class will present a heartfelt tribute to the remarkable men and women whose contributions have made India a nation of pride, strength and endless possibilities. We hope these performances inspire our young learners to dream fearlessly, embrace our rich heritage and grow into responsible, compassionate and confident citizens of tomorrow. Every auspicious beginning is made more meaningful when we seek the blessings of the Almighty. To commence our Swaraj celebration and seek the divine blessings of the Almighty, we now invite our respected Director Ma'am to kindly come forward and light the ceremonial lamp. Let us begin this beautiful celebration with light, hope, and gratitude.
महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
So parents, this is the last time that children are going to perform for Swaraj in Angel's Paradise. A little bit emotional because they are in class as well. So you have to clap for them, applaud for them continuously. And now it is time to hear from our little stars. Our young speakers from Prep 2 are ready to take us on a beautiful journey through the heart of our incredible nation, India. Let us invite our confident little speakers from Prep 2, Anaya Adsor, Ashwin Singh, Nurmi Vachalkar, Riyan Sharma, and Anurag Singh with a big round of applause.
Good morning, respected Saili ma'am, my beloved teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today we proudly celebrate Swaraj, India's Independence Day celebration from Angel's Paradise Academy. The greatest pride of India is our brave freedom fighters, heroes like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, and Rani Lakshmibai sacrificed their lives for our freedom. Because of their courage, we can live freely today. Let always remember and respect their sacrifice. India is famous for its rich culture and beautiful traditions. This is one of the biggest prides of our country. We celebrate many festivals, speak many languages, and follow different customs. Yet, we all live together with love and unity. Our unity and diversity makes India special and strong. We are proud to be Indians. India is making progress in science, sports, and education. Our doctors, soldiers, scientists, and athletes bring glory to our nation. Our Shri APJ Abdul Kalam, Shri Ratan Tata, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, Srimati Kiran Bedi, and many more like this inspire us to dream big. India is growing strong and shining brightly in the world. We promise to work harder and make our nation proud. Children are the future and pride of India. We can help our country by being kind, honest, and responsible citizens. We must respect our national flag. We can respect our teachers and our parents. India teaches us peace, courage, and unity. Let us always love and protect our beautiful nation. We are proud Indians. India, our pride forever. We are proud to present a delightful musical performance by the talented students of Angel's Paradise Academy. Through music and rhythm, our little stars are here to celebrate the spirit of patriotism, unity, and love for our nation. Let us encourage them with a big round of applause as they fill the stage with energy, joy, and pride for India. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, children. That was indeed inspiring and very confident little speakers from Prep 2. Let's give them a round of applause as they leave the stage. Before our young performers performers take the stage, let us hear a few words about the spirit of this musical presentation. I invite our Jyotishika ma'am to kindly come forward and introduce the performance.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, respected Saidi ma'am. Teachers, my dear parents. Today we have gathered to celebrate the spirit of Swaraj, a tribute to the courage, unity and sacrifices of the great leaders who gave us the gift of freedom. Our class theme is Pride of India. India is a land of rich culture, diversity, knowledge and remarkable achievements. Our country has given the world inspiring leaders, brave freedom fighters, great scientists, talented sportsmen, armed forces personnel, and visionaries who have made every Indian proud. Our little angels will pay tribute to some of these extraordinary personalities whose dedication, courage, and hard work continue to inspire us. Our little daughters of India proudly present Bharat Ki Beti, a tribute to the extraordinary women of India who have inspired generations with their courage, determination, and achievements. From the fearless freedom fighters and visionary leaders to brilliant scientists, accomplished athletes, and inspiring change makers, the daughters of India have shown the world that no dream is beyond reach. Let's welcome on stage Nurbi Vechalkar, Samaya Saban, Ritvik Gupta, Nurbi Chowgaonkar, Anayika Rane, Rita Shetty, Alisa Gupta, Radhika Arya, and Shrija Saxena.
मुर्दों में भी जान डाल दे, उनकी ऐसी कहानी है, वो और कोई नहीं, झांसी की रानी है। भारत देश में जन्म हुआ, सरोजिनी नायडू था नाम, थी तो देश की भारत कोकिला और घोड़ों में थी बहुत महान। अरुणा अशरफ अली जानी जाती है द ग्रैंड ओल्ड लेडी के नाम से, जिसने भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन में किया है काम शान से। देश की प्रथम महिला मुख्यमंत्री थी एक प्रसिद्ध स्वतंत्रता संग्राम सेनानी, नाम है जिसका सुचेता कृपलानी। भारतीय शास्त्रीय नृत्य की देवी रुक्मणी देवी जो थी इतिहास की पहली महिला जिनको राज्यसभा के सदस्य के रूप में नामित किया गया था। जिसको बचपन से था उड़ान भरने का सपना, कहलाती है ये आकाश की पुत्री, नाम है जिसका व्योमिका सिंह, जिसने दिया था ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में योगदान अपना। जहाँ हिम्मत है वहाँ है रास्ता, हमारे भारत की आन बान और शान कर्नल सोफिया कुरैशी ने ये साबित करके दिखाया। गुंजन सक्सेना भारतीय सशस्त्र बलों में एकमात्र महिला थी जिन्होंने कारगिल युद्ध में युद्ध क्षेत्र में उड़ान भरी थी।
Oh
big round of applause for our wonderful girl performance. From our Trivedi, our children beautifully paid tribute to the remarkable women of India whose courage, wisdom, and determination have inspired generations. Their confidence, enthusiasm, and expressive performances filled us with pride and reminded us that every child has the potential to dream big and achieve great things.
India is our pride and home. Today we celebrate the spirit of a nation that never stops growing. Progressive India is a story of dreams turning into reality. From science and technology to education and culture, our country is moving forward with pride. India today is strong, smart and shining across the world. Our young minds are the future of its progress. Let's hear from our Prep One Morning children as they share their thoughts on progressive India. A big round of applause for Sanj Agrawal, Vanshika Manchani and Neil Kauri Joshi.
Good morning everyone. Today I'm proud to sing for my country India. India is a beautiful country that is growing every day with modern roads, new technology, many assistance. We believe in peace, unity, helping one another. Allah, my beautiful India, proud of your Indian. Namaste parents, I love India. It is my home. It is growing and shining every day. Look around us. We have all the things. Fast cars and wonderful schools. I promise to keep my country clean. I will not throw litter. I will always keep India beautiful. Jai Hind. Good morning everyone. My is very old and very beautiful with many dances, songs and festivals. We eat different foods like roti, idli and sweets. We wear colorful clothes like sari and kurta. We say namaste and touch elders' feet. I'm proud of my Bharat. Jai Hind.
So parents, how is the performance going on till now? I think the daughters of India represented themselves very well. So we will move on to the next dance as well. On this glorious occasion of Independence Day, we gather to celebrate the spirit of freedom and the pride of being Indian. Today, our young stars are ready to showcase their love for the nation through a vibrant dance performance titled Hum Bharat Ke Hain. This dance is not just a performance, it is a tribute to the rich culture, unity and strength of proud citizens of India, carrying forward the legacy of our great nation, our motherland. With every step and every rhythm, these children will remind us that we are shining stars. So let us welcome our shining performers, Ishani Chaukulkar. Let's clap for them as they walk on the stage. Dhruv Bakshore, Anji Saha, Karthik Srivastav, Dinisha Maheshwari, Anurag Singh, Arish Rajput, Adhiraj Talwalkar and Adya Vinish. Together they will fill the stage with energy, patriotism and joy. making us feel the heartbeat of India. So get ready to witness the pride of India come alive through dance because truly हम भारत के हैं.
ना झुका है ना झुकने देंगे आजाद तिरंगा हमारा खाते हैं कसम इस माटी की इस पे जान लुटा देंगे हम भारत के हैं हम भारत से हैं हम भारत के हैं हम भारत से हैं
Their dance truly reminded us that the pride of India lives in each one of us. Let's give them a big round of applause as we continue to celebrate the freedom and unity of our great nation. Patriotism is a feeling that words alone cannot express. Sometimes it is best felt through music. To tell us more about the beautiful song our children are about to present, I invite Jyotishika ma'am to come forward.
Our young patriots proudly present Kesarla Bharat, a tribute to the great sons of India whose courage, wisdom, leadership and dedication have shaped our nation. From fearless freedom fighters and visionary leaders to pioneering scientists, inspiring reformers and sporting legends, these remarkable men have left an everlasting mark on India's history. Their determination, integrity and selfless service continue to inspire generations to dream big and work towards a stronger, brighter India. Today, our little stars will celebrate their extraordinary journeys of inspiring personalities and remind us that true greatness lies in serving the nation with courage, hard work, and compassion. Let us encourage our children to follow these noble ideals and grow into responsible citizens who will contribute to progress of our country. Let's welcome on stage Riyan Sharma, Arsh Mundra, Mohammed Zamin, Shardul Chaudhary, Arjun Pawar, Sakhi Pali Singh Deo, and Riyan Sharma.
जहाँ साहस और स्वाभिमान की रूप दिल में समाई है वो और कोई नहीं, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की अमर परछाई है। सत्य और अहिंसा का जिसने दिया संसार को संदेश, वो महात्मा गांधी थे जिनका नाम विशेष। संविधान निर्माता महान विचारों के थे धनी, डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर ने लिखी भारत की नई कहानी। मिसाइल मैन के नाम से जाने जाते थे जिनका ऊंचा मान, भारत के पूर्व राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम थे देश की शान। आसमान की ऊंचाइयों को छूने का जिनका है अरमान, राकेश शर्मा बने पहले भारतीय जिन्होंने अंतरिक्ष में बनाया देश का मान। क्रिकेट की दुनिया में जिसने भारत का नाम रोशन किया, मास्टर ब्लास्टर सचिन तेंदुलकर ने हर दिल को जीत लिया। साथी की महानता और धर्म में जिनकी पहचान, रतन टाटा है उद्योग जगत में भारत की शान।
जहाँ धरती गाती गीत नया, हर रंग में बसता प्यार सदा, बसती है पग पग प्रीति, यहाँ है उमड़ता जोश जहाँ लहराता है परचम हर दिशा, ऐसा केसरिया भारत है मेरा। लहराता है परचम हर दिशा, ऐसा केसरिया जिसके झगड़े सभों में सवेरा जो दिखे,
music performance. Through Kesariya Bharat, our little stars beautifully honored the great missionaries, leaders, freedom fighters, scientists, and heroes who have dedicated their lives to the progress and glory of our nation. Their confidence, enthusiasm, and vibrant performance truly reflected the spirit of patriotism and national pride.
Our culture is deeply rooted in family values, hospitality, and the belief that unity in diversity is our greatest strength. By preserving our traditions while embracing progress, we continue to build a strong and proud nation. Let us celebrate India's rich heritage with pride and carry forward its timeless values for generations to come. Let's hear from my young speakers from Prep1 Mid Morning, UVM Basta and Agni Sharma. Let's give them a round of applause as they're coming towards the stage.
India is a beautiful country. It has many cultures and traditions. People wear colorful clothes. We celebrate many festivals. We respect the elders and others. Thank you. It's land, taste, and live together happily. We enjoy dancing, singing, and playing together. We learn to laugh, share, and care. Making diversity makes India special.
Thank you, children. Our culture is our identity, our heritage, and a treasure that we carry forward from one generation to the next. Thank you, our little ones, for taking us through the beautiful and colorful culture of India. Independence Day is not only Independence Day is not only a celebration of freedom, but also a reminder of the courage, unity, and pride that define our nation. Today, our children are ready to bring that spirit alive on stage with a powerful dance mashup of Rang De Basanti and Suno Gaur Se Duniya Walo. Get ready to be swept away by the rhythm of patriotism as our young stars step forward and declare to the world that India stands tall with pride and strength. Through dance, they are ready to come forward to ignite the stage. This performance is a salute to the bravery of our freedom. Their dance and the young stars will remind us that patriotism is not just a feeling, it is a rhythm that breathes in every Indian heart. So let's welcome our enthusiastic performers with loud applause as they take us on a journey of energy, passion, and national pride. Presenting the powerful dance, a celebration of India's spirit through music and movement. Our patrons are Gauransh Paliwal. Let's clap for them as they approach the stage. Kabir Chopra, Samaya Nidhi Singh, Anaya Abhijit Atso, Ashwin Singh, Adhira Mundra, Yuvan Chakulkar, Ronil Mathadevru, and Madhav Bhosle. that the pride of India shines brightest when expressed with unity and passion. Let's applaud for them once again for filling our hearts with patriotic fervor. As we come forward to the conclusion of this beautiful celebration, it is time to express our gratitude to everyone who made this memorable event possible. Gratitude is the sweetest way to acknowledge the love, support, and efforts that go into making every celebration special. To deliver the vote of thanks, I invite our confident speakers, Sheeja Saxena and Adhira Mundra from Prep 2 to come forward and share their words of gratitude.
On this special occasion of Swaraj, we would like to express a heartfelt gratitude to all who made this celebration wonderful and memorable. We thank our respected director ma'am, teachers and parents for encouraging and guiding us always. A big thank you to all the students for their energetic performances and participation. Love and support made this event truly special. Thank you. We are also thankful to our support staff and admin department for their hard work behind the scenes. Today we proudly celebrated the spirit of freedom, unity, love for our country. Let us always respect our nation and work together to make India proud. Thank you everyone for joining us and making this celebration successful. Jai Hind.
As we come to the end of this memorable celebration, we carry with us the beautiful memories, inspiring thoughts, and patriotic spirit shared by our young performers today. To formally conclude this wonderful celebration, I invite our coordinator Vinaya ma'am to kindly come forward.
Thank you, Yashasvi ma'am. A very good morning and happy Independence Day to all of you. As we conclude our Swaraj celebration, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this event very successful. A sincere thank you to our respected director ma'am, Mrs. Sai Bosley, our center head, Mrs. Yashasvi More ma'am, for constant guidance and encouragement. Thank you to all our wonderful teachers for their dedication and enthusiastic efforts. A special thank you to Dekar teachers and our art team for being ready to help and support us, and all our PGs for their beautiful decoration and valuable assistance. Finally, thank you to all our dear parents and our Legion Rangers for making this celebration joyful and memorable. Before we disperse, a small announcement for all the parents. Snacks counter has been arranged in the admin area outside the school gate. You should collect your child from the respective class and proceed to the snacks counter. Thank you once again. Let us request all to stand up for national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
I know everybody is very eager to take the kids back home, but as this is the last year of Swaraj for our Prep 2 kids, we would invite any one of you or all of you to please come forward on the stage and give your testimonial about this event. And if you volunteer, good and nice, otherwise I will become the parents. Then don't say I don't want to speak. Who is volunteering? Let's raise hands first. Nobody? Chalo, मैं ही बोल देती हूँ. So our admin and teachers will be ready to ask you the questions. Please give us the answers. Little bit more time we will take. You want them on the stage? Yes, that would be nice. Just a minute.